Hello Virtuous family, welcome to Virtuous Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's video, what I have for you is Egusi Pepper Soup. Egusi Pepper Soup is quite easy. It is as easy as making pepper soup itself, but the addition of egusi seed, which is grounded melon, took it from being a side dish to a main meal. I'm sure you would like to know how I came up with this delicious Egusi Pepper Soup. Yeah, let's dive into the video. The ingredients I have for the egusi pepper soup are 1. Egusi, which is melon seed. You can decide to use the grounded one, there is no problem about that, but I like blending my own by myself to avoid sand. I got beef, goat meat, jumbo snail, cow leg, Kanda, which is cow skin, periwinkle, dry fish, dry prawns, crayfish, pepper soup spice, dry chili. You can as well use Cameroon pepper if you have one, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, seasoning cube, salt to taste, and lastly Uziza leaf. You can decide to use scent leaf or baby spinach, there is no problem about that. For the protein, please do use any protein of your choice. Alright, I've transferred the goat meat and beef inside the pot already, and I've added diced onion. Now I'll be adding seasoning cube and some salt to taste. Cover and allow to simmer on a low heat for at least 10 minutes so that the meat will release their own water before adding extra water. Please note, I've prepped almost all the ingredients of the camera to save some time. Alright, in another pot I will also cook the cow leg and cow skin, which is Kanda or Promo, whichever one you know it with, and I will be seasoning with only seasoning cube. Cover and allow to cook until at least 90% tender before adding salt. This is African cow leg, it is very strong. Let's toast the egusi, which is melon seed. I like toasting the egusi before using it for egusi pepper soup because the toasting of the seed enhances the flavor of the egusi when you make the soup. Please make sure you toast on a low to medium heat to prevent the seed from burning. Once the seeds start changing color, like slightly golden brown, just remove from the heat. Do not allow it to burn. Please be very careful with the toasting. If you know you are not a very careful type, please do skip the toasting part because this part will either promote or enhance the taste of the egusi pepper soup or spoil it. Oh yes, the flavor in my kitchen right now, oh my god, it is sweet me for mine. Now it is good to go. As you can see, it is slightly brown. I will remove from the heat and allow it to cool down before blending it with water. This toasting took me about 4 minutes. Yeah, while the egusi is cooling, let's check the beef and the goat meat. As you can see, they have released their own water, and the water they release is really enough, but still I will add a little water to it and cover to cook until tender. Now the egusi, which is our melon seed, is cool, and I will be using my dry meat blender to blend it until smooth or powder. But why your blender is very strong, please blend it with water at once, there is no problem about that. After which I will blend the onion and Scotch bonnet pepper with another blender and then add the blended egusi to it with water and blend until a smooth paste is formed. Have you subscribed to this channel? If no, please do subscribe to the channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Give this video a huge thumbs up to encourage us. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment. Can you see how beautiful that looks? Yeah. Next is to soak the dry fish with a lukewarm water, but just bear in mind I will be washing the fish off the camera after 5 minutes. I don't want the video to be too long, just want to save time. Alright, the cow leg, beef and goat meat are good to go. As you can see, the very simple thing I want to do here is to transfer the cow leg and cow skin carefully to the beef and goat meat to avoid those little bones that normally fall off the cow skin from entering the soup. Alright, can you see the little bone I'm talking about? It is not needed in this soup because kids are involved. Since we are done transferring the meat, next is to add the snail, the dry prawns because it needs to soften as well. Dry chili, if you lay your hands on Cameroon pepper, I think that is better. Half of the pepper soup spice, okay, add it bit by bit to avoid adding much. Alright, I've added some salt already to taste and then stir very well to combine. Cover and allow to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, Virtuous family, this is what we got. Now add the blended egusi mix with onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. Rinse the blender Stir, cover and allow to cook for at least more 15 minutes. Please note, if maybe the soup thickens, do feel free to add more water to loosen it up, because what we are cooking is egusi pepper soup. Basically, the soup should be very light. Once the egusi is cooked, you will notice a float of oil on top of the soup. This is not palm oil, but rather egusi oil. Alright, now add crayfish, dry fish, more of this pepper soup spice to boost the flavor of the one we added initially, seasoning cube, and more water to loosen the soup because it's a bit thick. Stir to combine, cover and allow to cook well for 10 more minutes to avoid eating raw egusi, okay? 10 minutes later, Virtuous family, can you see that deliciousness? Now I will add the periwinkle, which is Isam. This is totally optional, and some Uziza leaf for more flavor. You can as well use scent leaf. There is no problem about that. Stir and cover to cook for more 3 minutes. This is exactly 3 minutes. Open, stir to combine, then check and balance the taste. And I find out that the taste is absolutely delicious. Turn off the heat and serve. On this junction, Virtuous family, our egusi pepper soup, our oilless egusi dioko, our white egusi so delicious is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. You can pair this soup with semo, wheat, pounded yam, fufu, white rice, or even banku. Oh yes, hope you enjoyed the video today. Please, if you enjoyed the video, give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.